did not shy away from any obstacle. There were no barriers too high that he was not determined to overcome. His life's mission led to law and advocacy as he used his unparalleled wit and invariable articulation to represent the cause of the poor and the oppressed. Our hero understood the importance of social issues such as workers' rights, freedom, human dignity, the dignity of decent work, and the need for the humanity of our treatment of workers, and certainly set out to enact laws to protect the dignity of the ordinary man and woman. In this mission and purpose, he led nothing back and took on the law lords of the United Kingdom in his bid to achieve a destiny of freedom and sovereignty for our people and our country. His struggle for political independence was etched in the fundamental belief, not only in the right, but for the capacity of our people to govern ourselves.